In this video, I will show you how to adjust your screen size on your Hisense Smart TV to full screen. So over here, I have the Vidaa Hisense Smart TV, but it doesn't really matter the Hisense Smart TV you're using, so whether it's an Android TV, a Roku TV. If you follow the same steps, you should be able to do the same thing on your Hisense Smart TV. So to achieve this, you just want to go to the top settings on your Hisense Smart TV over there. So you just scroll to the top and click on the settings icon, or go to the settings of your Hisense Smart TV. And you just want to go ahead and go to picture settings. And in the picture settings, you should see an option for aspect ratio. Now, this is the option that is responsible for adjusting the screen size of your smart TV. So you just want to go ahead and click on OK, just like so. And you're going to see that by default, it is set to auto. Now, what this means is that the TV automatically adjusts itself to fit any picture that is on the TV or any movie that is on the TV. But you can actually change this to a couple of options. For instance, you can change it to a 16:9 or a 4:3. But if you want it to always be on zoom, then you want to move it to the movie zoom option. Now, what this means is that you're forcing the TV to always show everything on zoom, that is everything to be on full screen. So to do that, you just want to go ahead and click on OK to select the movie zoom, just like so. And once you're done, you can go back to your settings or whatever you're doing on your TV, like a movie or a picture on your TV, and you'll see that the TV automatically now zooms into the images or the movies, and then they are now on full screen. So basically, that is how to adjust your screen size on your Hisense Smart TV to full screen. If this video was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.